Hi everyone, so welcome back to Casting Blog and welcome back to another interesting video. So today we're going to do an unboxing of the Lenovo 300 FHD webcam. Now this is a webcam that I purchased for my own personal use. So I'm a working professional, so I need a good web camera for my Zoom, Teams meetings, and I also use WhatsApp video call on my computer as well. So definitely my webcam on the laptop itself, it's not really having a very high quality or high resolution output. So I thought of purchasing an additional webcam for my day-to-day usage. Please note that these videos are not sponsored, so I purchase the products for myself and then I go ahead and share my reviews with you guys so that it can help you make an informed and better decision before buying any of the products. Let's go ahead and unbox. Okay. This is the invoice, so I'm going to keep this to a side. And we have the main camera over here. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. Let me go ahead and cut this seal in. This is from Lenovo. Let's see what we get inside. Okay, so that's it, or we just have something below that as well. Okay, there we go. So this is how you can set up your camera, like the mounting, and then you have the Lenovo limited warranty as well. So I'm going to keep everything to the side and we're going to just focus on the camera for now. So this is what the camera looks like, and this feels premium, and this has a weight to it as well. And as you can see, so I'm still trying to figure out. So this is a USB-A type connector, as you can see, and this is a mount where you can mount this camera. Let's go ahead and see how we can open this up. Let's go ahead and take a look into some of the features. So this head is adjustable, so you can move front and back and then right or left. And then you have a stand. So this is where the camera is going to be sitting on a monitor or on a display, and then you can adjust the angle of the camera based on your needs. Now the next thing is the camera shutter. So Lenovo has gone ahead and added a camera shutter for extra privacy. So you can slide this shutter so that the camera pops up. And once you're done, you can go ahead and just close this up as well. So this is how the camera looks like. Let's go ahead and set it up. So now we have the laptop over here. Let's go ahead and connect this camera to the laptop and see how is the image quality. So this is a pretty, heavy camera, as I have to say. So let me go ahead and connect to the USB port of my laptop. Let me go ahead and put it on top. And as you can see that, it has already started because there's a light which has come up and which tells us that the camera is ready for use. So there's a small indicator over here, as you can see. It needs to be tightened properly. Okay, this looks fine. So let me go ahead and remove the shutter. Okay, let me go ahead and start the camera. So this is the camera that we are using right now. So this is the Lenovo Full HD webcam. And then if I have to show you my laptop's camera, which won't be visible really because this camera, the webcam, is sitting on top of the laptop's camera itself. Let me go ahead and change the camera. and let me show you the image quality. So this camera is extremely good, and the clarity is great. If you're someone who does a lot of meetings or conferences, or you want to stream something, so this is definitely going to help us over there. And if I have to show you some of its features, so this has a microphone over here. There are two microphones. This is the indicator which tells you that the camera is working right now, and this is an indicator which turns green, which means it says that the camera is in use. So that's pretty much about it. And if you want, I mean, like I said, you have the option to tilt it on, both sideways, and you can change the angle of the camera as well. I hope you liked the unboxing and the review. So this model is the Lenovo 300 FHD webcam, and this has a 2.1 megapixel CMOS sensor. It has a rotatable head, so this is a 360-degree rotatable. So you can rotate the head in whichever direction that you want. This also has the option to tilt. So you want to tilt it to the right or left, you can do that as well. And apart from that, this has a 4x digital zoom. And of course, the color, as Lenovo calls it, as the cloud gray. Now, one more interesting thing is that if you look at the bottom, we have a point where you can mount this camera if you have a tripod as well, which is really great. So, and also this comes with a 1-year warranty. This is currently priced at 3,000 rupees on Amazon. If you want to buy that, you can of course check for Lenovo 300 FHD webcam. So I hope that you like this video. If you have any other questions regarding the webcam, please let me know in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next one.